Alright, so you can access your Google Drive folder from right up here. You'll see the little Google Drive icon. As it's syncing stuff, it's going to be spinning around, and you can see here we're syncing all of my files from Google Drive onto my computer. Alright, now when you open up a Finder window, it's going to have added this Google Drive folder right here. And it's essentially downloading everything that's in my Google Drive onto my computer. So if we just do a quick comparison here, you'll see Google Drive automatically will sort by title here, and we'll get all the folders up at the top, and then all of the files that are not in folders will be down below here. So if we just kind of look, the first one, 402 test booklet and 402 test booklet. So these are essentially the same files. One's now located in your Google Drive folder on your Mac, and it's also located in your Google Drive folder on the web. Alright, so we can see that everything is also here. So this is a bidirectional syncing. So any changes we make on the web will automatically sync to our computer. So if we just created a new document, and I'll just name it OOSync. We'll see this file exists here in our Google Drive on the web, and it now also exists on my computer. We'll also see if you take files from your computer and you put them into the Google Drive folder. So I just uploaded these Pre-Calculus Notes 9.3 into my Google Drive folder. You'll see that we're syncing. And now the sync is complete. And so if we go to Google Drive on the web, we should be able to find that file. Okay, it may just take a second, but here is the file that we just put into our Google Drive folder on our computer. Now, any changes you make on your Mac, like let's say I wanted to change the name pre-calculus, we'll sync up here. We'll see that the change in our name takes place in Google Drive on the web. Now you'll notice that this is a .docx, and so we have the little word symbol right here. What that means is, in Google Drive on the web, really all you can do is preview this, and it doesn't even do that great a job here, but you can't edit it on the web. However, because it's a Word doc, you can edit it on your computer. So if I open this up on my computer, and I make a change, okay, do whatever editing you want, and we save this, Google Drive will automatically sync the new version, and all the edits you made on your computer will automatically be fixed online. So this is really great. If you have shared a folder with your students, it's very easy to get files into their hands. All you have to do is, on your computer, locate the folder that you've shared with them. You can drag and drop any file into that folder from your computer. Google Drive will sync, and in a very short amount of time, your students will automatically have access to that file, and it's as simple as that. Now when you are looking at the Google Drive folder on your computer, you'll notice that it syncs everything, even Google Docs. So here is that Google Doc that we created here, and notice it says .gdoc. And so this is really just a link to the Google document. And if we double click it, it actually will open it up in the web browser. Now to further highlight the bidirectional syncing, we can use Google Drive on our Mac to organize this Google Drive folder. So I can create a new folder, and I see I have a lot of mortgage calculator stuff. So I can create that folder here, and then move all my mortgage calculator documents into that folder. Notice it's syncing to the web. The sync is complete. Now, if we search for mortgage calculator, we have a new folder called mortgage calculator. And inside of that, we have all of the files. Okay, so it really does keep everything exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you do it on the web or you do it on your computer, it's the same. One positive of having Google Drive connected to your Mac is that you can use the Spotlight feature to find things. So OOSync, well, pops right up. And again, when you open it, it will open it up in the web version. Also with Google Drive on your Mac, you can edit any of your Word documents while you're offline. So I can turn my Wi-Fi off. You can be working all day long on this document, and you can make all your changes. Now the next time you're back online, Google Drive will reconnect and sync the document that you were working on.